here with Super Mega Warlord and I forgot who you were. Robo Cuddles. So today we're going to be playing a kind of game, kind of like Outlast, except it's 3 of us and we're running away from Aiden, who's an Airsoft pistol. Now, you might be wondering, this seems stupid and ridiculous, but no, it's not. There's no headshots, no chest shots, it's only leg shots. So
yeah, because this is stupid.
Yes, it is very stupid.
And by the way, I got a new camera.
Yes, it is a red, a pink, yellow camera.
Up, it's a red.
It's not red. He's colorblind.
I'm not colorblind.
Hey, I could be colorblind too, but I'm not.
A lot of gamers seem to be colorblind. No offense.
Shut up. Don't make fun of Captain Sparkles. Let's go.
No, Captain Sparkles isn't colorblind.
Shut up.
Jerome's colorblind.
I know. Oh yeah, like anytime they troll him.
I also thought that freaking what's his name? Ryan. I thought no, Ryan might not be. I don't know.
All right, so Aiden right now reloading the airsoft gun. We're just walking away. Maybe we might hide in some bushes.
I actually like the Outlast whistleblower.
Oh, you seen the last
yeah.
part?
Yeah. No, I saw everything.
I remember the cannibal man.
I just hate that. I just don't.
Like the creepiest guy is that clown guy at the ending.
I just hate how there's like 2 people chasing you. One's that suited guy.
The ending is just wrong. He like
sends a file, some kind of thing.
He takes out the clothes and like wrenches. He's like.
Oh, that's not the ending.
I thought the ending was like when he sends that one file.
Is when he escapes.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
he escapes and sends that file.
Yeah.
He's like, your family and.
Your family's gonna die. Yeah.
Well, no, it's not.
By the way, I actually didn't say that. I didn't censor it out or anything.
Also, by the way, the old man, you know how in the first game?
Why are we spoiling this?
You know how in the first game? You know
oh man, why are we spoiling?
You know how in the first game?
You know how many children
at the ending?
Because of that? People who listen to Harry Potter and read the books, anytime anyone spoiled the ending, or drugs, but you know, it's just I
read the whole Harry Potter series incorrectly. I like read because yeah, I actually took a picture of that. I'm actually zooming up on it right now. No, I'm just kidding. Actually did. Actually, I'm gonna probably have to blur that out because of freaking YouTube.
There's a lot of inappropriate people on YouTube.
Like,
oh shoot! Run!
Hey, he's coming!
No, excuse me. I didn't the violin music with that.
He's coming! I have to run slower because I have a stupid camera. Why can't it be turned to night vision?
Hiding. Oh shit! Go!
Plus, my brother shot me in the leg really close and it hurt like heck. Oh gosh.
Go! Get down! Get down! Oh yeah. Sorry for the shaking. Well, not as much. We need to keep moving. Stay in there. Stay frosted.
Oh no, I got allergies. Ah, shiz.
I think we should hide inside the trees. Let's go find some more.
Something's in my shoe.
It will look very obvious when you're running away. Just like, I'm in the military championship.
You're just running all over.
You sure about being out in the open like this?
Guys, it was see me just running so far, and that's what's covered, then we do what we did again.
This is stupid. Someone's gonna get. She's gonna find us eventually.
Well, then we all split up. No. Jaden will throw you out in front of him first.
Yeah, he'll be our cover. A human cover.
I'm the human cover.
Wait, what? No.
I don't have insurance.
Which one of us is going to get our fingers cut off, remember?
Oh.
And what?
Yeah, remember in Outlast, the one guy that
I'm the first one to cut his fingers, and I'm the crazy Dr. Flash.
I didn't watch the whole thing. I think I watched like the first, second, fifth, and last one. Shh, shh, shh. He's not here. Gosh darn it. Also, I think I'm recording in HD for this one. I don't know. I'll just put it as number 1.
Right there. Oh, we're here. Okay, here's the plan. One of us stays here, and the person who gets to know me and goes all the way down there. And if everyone sees him, we say some kind of passcode.
The passcode's this.
Okay, so Jane, you go all the way down to the farm because you're little and you have more energy. Steven, you should go down there
For what?
so you can see if he's coming. And if we see him coming from down,
Wait, but where would we?
then we'll all meet down there. It'll be actually be easier for him to target us and kill us all. Steven, you should go back.
Wait, how will we tell each other your armpit's wet?
Fuck that.
Okay, so where do I go?
You
I
go
don't want
back
to split
there.
up.
Dude.
Fine. Wait. We wait at all the other ends. The end.
Yeah, we'll do.
Okay, I'm going. Okay.
Okay.
We'll stay right here. Right here.
Now remember the.
Why do I have to be over here? Help me! Serpentine! Serpentine! What are you doing? Hey! Come on, why me? Hey, it's too close. Too close. You missed. Ah, too close.
Hey, you can't probably leave this close. No, intentional. Sorry, but your foot.
Hey, you can't. You know how much it hurts?
Yeah, I shot myself in the hand before. Just barely sting.
No, Aiden. You know I have a road rash right here.
Then run.
Why don't you go for somewhere else?
Run.
Why do you always have to go for me?
I was going for you. Closer.
Be quiet.
Fine, I'm moving away for it, right?
I know you like just got to turn around once I start running.
Hey, you're close, so that means I can fire.
Fine. Things over there. Oh, he missed! Go! Serpentine, James! No, Serpentine! Because he really sucks at aiming.
But he's gonna kill these zombies though.
Not really.
Oh, go!
Yeah. Serpentine! There he is. Oh, he almost got me. Luckily, he sucks at aiming. No, shouldn't be doing that. Anyway.
Hey. Steven, help!
Okay, you're getting back some cover. I know you're not gonna shoot.
Steven, just run there. It's over.
Nah.
Good thing, clear the fire. Fire up. No. Yes, sir.
If you fire, you're gonna have to pay for this car.
Run away.
No.
There's no evidence I did it.
Of course there's evidence that you did it. I'm gonna tell them.
I'm going to make you run now. Come have on this run.
No, you can't.
Since that is cheating.
Nope.
Trying to chest shots are allowed.
No. So, whoever's car that is. Hello.
Hi.
Hey, Ducky. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna switch to my view. Here we go. As you can see, I'm staring at myself from my new camera. That's not a good thing. Come on. Okay, as you can see, I'm sweating a ton. Oh, okay, he's not following me anymore. So yeah, I'm sweating a ton. This sucks. And I had to be the one that he got targeted for. Okay. Anyway, back to normal view. Oh, gosh. Oh yeah, and please tell me if the quality is better so I know which one to use next time. And my sound, because I think there's a microphone. Yeah, I think there's a microphone built onto that thing. Anyway. My arm is starting to hurt from holding this too long. Regroup. Are we still running?
I saw him.
Oh, this sucks. He was targeting me for like 10 minutes.
How'd you escape?
Like I hid behind your mom's car. Sorry.
Did he shoot at it?
No.
Good.
Because he knows that he can't hit a car. First stood behind some random guy's car. But
Good thing he has knowledge and he's good natured.
I got you.
and he finally let me go.
Hey, you want some files? I found some files.
I freaking hate you.
Oh hey, I found some more files.
Hey, I found some more bags. Catch.
Yeah. Hey, here's some more batteries. Oh, you should reload your camera because oh, dude.
My camera is rechargeable.
Dude, his camera, the guy that's walking around with that camera, it's like the weakest camera in the world. Like,
Yeah, he has to put in freaking AAA batteries.
every like some minutes. I mean, no, every second. I mean, like every like minute, like it goes. Phew, it's already almost dead.
Dude,
Mine is
when he
nine.
picks up when he drops the camera and it breaks, it's so hard to see.
Okay, so Steven, you have to drop your camera.
What? No.
It's probably broken.
No, I should like put in a special effect right there with a fractured screen.
Wait, can you actually do that?
Probably. He's coming. I bagged your mama's car and he can't get you. I am. Suckers.
My sister.
That's cheating. I think it's jumping off my bike to get that.
Hey, why are you behind me?
Dude, don't!
It's really scary. It's really scary getting your first shot, huh? We can outrun him anytime. You know that, right? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you missed, sucker! You suck! He didn't get me! He missed! Sorry, I'm going to my adolescence. Oh gosh. He's not following me. He's probably reloading. He's reloading. He's reloading his gun. Okay. Hey, where'd James go? I mean, where'd NZ Pro Shop go? He's coming! Right behind the car. Best idea ever. Hey, you can't go inside your house. There's kids right there. And a dog. He's right here.
You can't do it here.
Why you always target me?
You can't go up here with that gun. That's against my law.
Plus, if you shoot him, might probably gonna hit the garage.
My dad's gonna get angry. Don't you dare shoot me.
Yeah, if you shoot his garage, then you're dead.
You are literally. Frank?
Promise? Cause I'm gonna cut the recording because it's getting pretty long. Oh, he's gonna.
That kid. All right, let's break.
Okay, be right back. Commercial break. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, yeah, be right back.
You're probably doing a silent game.
Okay, so we're back, and we got this kid here, and this kid there, and we decided
We decided to end here.
We decided to start our second recording session as a vlog, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Hi.
You crazy. And anything to talk about? And the pop shop?
What?
Anything for your channel?
Not really. I haven't been able to upload videos because I couldn't get on my iPod.
What about you? Oh yeah, you don't even have a channel. What is wrong?
No. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get some. What is that one game called where it's like third person running against the zombies?
Oh. Yeah, that game?
Yeah.
I forgot its name, but.
Yeah.
America!
I'm gonna try to get some gameplay of that, and then, you know.
Yeah, it's Blitz Brigade maybe? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe Blitz Brigade if you ever get the game and we play together and like kick ass.
I have a phone, but it's Android.
Wait, what?
And it's a really old one, so I don't think I can be able to get the game.
Wait, what about the iPhone you got?
I want to hold it.
No.
Is that new? Oh,
No,
please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
Next time.
Ah!
Gosh darn it. Okay, anyway, so for me,
Bye.
I'm gonna record some.
My name is RoboCuddles.
I'm gonna make some Roblox videos, Minecraft videos, and some
I'm gonna
Wizard
be in
and
the Roblox
Pirate.
videos. I want to be in Roblox videos.
Fine, Wizard. And then roll a
Skyrim
Skype
gameplay,
call.
Because a lot of people are doing Skyrim gameplay now.
I don't have Skyrim.
You should get it!
Can't get rated M games. Okay.
You can play Team Fortress.
No, that's rated
Team
M.
Fortress, and you should
No,
make...
Team Fortress 2.
Wait, Team Fortress 2, can you get an axe? Like a giant axe? Bye.
Bye, RoboCuddle. See you later. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna record some Minecraft videos, Roblox videos, and some Wizard and Pirate 101 videos. And
For your Pirates 101, you should start from very beginning and go to end.
yeah, probably gonna create a new one. Because
Yeah.
I have like 5. I always like for all my 101 accounts, I always start with a new guy. Like I create almost every class except the one
You're
I
supposed
hate.
to do Wizard 101 videos to start from beginning and go to end.
But most of my accounts are really high. Oh wait, no, my Storm 1 isn't that high, so I might as well just create another Storm 1 or something.
Wait, what? What?
Wasn't it really high on
We can go play inside? Oh yeah, sure. Can we all play?
Yeah.
Hey, Steen, wasn't it really high on the...
Yeah.
You just say one of us or all of us?
Wait, one of us or all of us? Oh, okay. I might go then.
Steen, wasn't the highest
Why?
one... Wasn't yours found?